The word Shabbat. Notice the way it looks like either a slithering snake here and a slithering snake over here. What the obligation is, when we look at B, it's always bigger on the bottom than on the top, right? Why, I don't know, but it shows this dimension. See the 8 that shows up over here, but there is no 8 that shows up over here. When you flip the Shabbat over, and when you flip the Shabbat over, you can see that there's a 9 either here with a T, 9T, or it becomes what is the I over here and just a 9 with a line here. Irregardless to that fact, what do? Art, the alphabet, mathematics, colors. Every single sound, I put the math together. If the math can create a pie, 2 cups of this and 1 cup of that. Weights and measures to balance off the differences and in-betweens. Also, if it was in a clock and it was a different area, we'd have to use parts of numbers or fractions. Fraction is a part. So what I'm working on over here in this piece is 4, 5, and 6. I've worked with 2, 5, and 8. Now I'm working with 4, 5, and 6. Not to get mixed up, the zodiac sign, the number of letters per each word, the numeric value per each word, the repetitive letters that are used in the letters not used in the entire zodiac sign, to understand what we can create, what we can't create, and why it is not used. Also to understand the number 7, 7, 8, and 9, to understand all the numbers, but we're going to get on with it right now. By multiplying and adding, we have 4 and 5, 20 and 9, 29, 2 and 9, 11, 1 and 1 is 2. 4 and 4 is 16, 4 plus 4 is 8, creates 24. 5 times 5 is 25, 5 and 5 is 10. 4 times 6 is 24, 4 plus 6 is 10. So we get 10, 10, 8, 9, and 10. 5 times 6, 5 plus 6 equals to 30 and 11. 6 times 6, 6 plus 6 equals to 36 and 12. The word is pole, the word is ring, the word is sun. Here in this numeric value it is home, it is king. Here it is cold. I do not remember what the numeric value for this was. Here it is cat. Here it is the IT system, birth in the sun. The continuation is 11, then 2. The continuation is 6, 8, 7, 5. The numeric value for each one is 2, 9, 7, 8, creates a gateway. Here it is 7 and 1, which will create the 7 and 8. This is sky pass. This is space and teen. This is fox, like the foxhole. This will create DC, also Zion and Israel inverted. This one over here is freedom. It is also woman. These are the numbers, 716, 1776. Have you ever seen 1776? Just a quick note on 1776. 1776, 6771, 755, 757, 75333. Electric moon, 5775. If you want to take a look at 5775 and multiply it by the 13 moons a year is 75,075. If we want to multiply what 7 and 5 is, it equals to 35 and 12 equaling to 47, the numeric value for time. 74 is for energy. 74 is for Jesus. Maybe I'm leaving on a jet plane. If you multiply 7 times 4, 7 plus 4, it equals to 28, the word man, and 11. If you take the two together, you get 39, you get 10, you get angel. You get what is 13 and 13 and 13 equals to 39, or 31 and 31 and 31 equals to 93, Saturn. I like to call it the rat sun because of the letters. in Scrabble. If you get 13 and 31 and 13, it equals to 75. If you get 31 and 13 and 31, sorry, it's the inverse, 5775. That is your numeric value for that equation. The rotation of 7 and 7 equals to 14. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. The rotation, if you multiply 5 by 5, equals to 25, equals to 7. But the complete rotation is on the ninth area of 5. It equals to 7. It becomes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Sorry, on the fourth one. First, second, third, fourth. On the fifth one. The second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the first one is within itself. Here it's on the second one. 7 and 7 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 2, the numeric value for Earth is 52. So when we continue on with this over here, sorry, not this one over here, with this one over here, we end up with this equation. So now I try to see if there's anything else in here, and I'll go 8 minus 6 is 2. I'll go 7 minus 5 is 2. I'll go 5 minus 3 is 2. I want to see everything. I go 8 plus 3. So I look out everything that will bring me to other numbers and what happens. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go 3, 5, and 7. Why 3, 5, and 7? Those are the odd numbers, 3, 5, and 7. 1 and 9 are not in here. And this is 2, 6, and 8. The 4 is not in here. So the 1, 4, and 9 are not in this equation. But it just so happens that the word 2, 5, and 8 equals to 49 equals to 4. 5 and 8 equals to 13. 1 and 3 equals to 4. When you add them all up, it equals to 149. Just a coincidence. So we're going to get back to the paper over here. 3 times 5, 3 plus 5 is 15. And 8, 23. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3, 6 and 5, 11 equals to 2. When we get to the next one, 5 and 7. 5 times 7, 5 plus 7, 35, 12, 47 equals to 2. We get to 7 and 3, it does not equal to that. It equals to 31, it equals to 43, 19, and 1. So this equation becomes 2, 1, 2, and 3, 5, and 7. The letters are like that. 357 Magnum, and there's other numerics that go with that. So this is just a basic science. Now, why did I do 4, 5, and 6? And the other number that I wanted to do, and I'm going to do it really quickly on another page, is because these numbers are the crossing numbers. So what happens with 2, 5, and 8 is you end up with, I'm just going to do it real quick, 22, 25, 28. You have 55, you have 58, you have 88. This becomes 64 and 16. This becomes 40 and 13. This becomes 25 and 10. This becomes 16 and 10. This becomes 10 and 7. This becomes 4 and 4, equaling to 8, equaling to 17, equaling to 26, equaling to 35, equaling to 53, equaling to 80. If you notice, it equals to 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. And these over here, you have 1, 7 coming together, 1, 7 coming together, 1, 7 coming together. Here you have 44 coming together. And over here you have what is 1 and 7 coming together. They're all Q's. This one will create the division of night and day. This is 7, this is 8, which is 17. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 equals 7 and 8. This will divide the dice cubes. The 6 and 8, 1 and 5, 6, 2 and 4, 6, 3 and 3, 6. Flip your cube over, you have 6 and 2, 8, 5 and 3, 8, 4 and 4, 8. Mathematics and the truth that comes from it, Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. Art, math, science, and how about another brick on the wall? Thank you for watching this video.